This is an Alaron brand ceiling fan in polished brass and brown, and it has what I believe is a failed capacitor. I'll show you what the problem is. You notice it's in pretty rough shape. It was a Habitat find a couple years ago for like 20 bucks, 25 bucks. I broke a bracket on it a while ago. It has stencil blades and it has polished brass Casablanca looking brackets. When I got it, the finial for the chain was off, and it still is, but I'll show you what it is. So you turn it on, you hear it humming, medium, low, off. Well, turn it on high and give it a spin manually, and it goes. Not that quick, but it goes. Medium, vibrates. Low. Oh, that's really slow. It's gonna stall. Off. This whole fan is screwed up. It's not even mounted right. It's gonna stall, watch. Yep. Yep, it stalled. It's gonna stall again, watch. I'm thinking if I spin it a little bit, there it goes. Medium, low, off. I'm wondering, now it's maintaining speed. What if I try to reverse it? Nope. Doesn't even try to reverse. Watch. Oh. That's not good. The reverse winding is out too. Watch. I'll put it on reverse, but then I can spin it forward. Unless that's... Yeah, this thing is toast. It's on reverse right now, but I can spin it and forward. Yeah, this fan is probably going to get junked because it's... Let me see if I can bring you guys up and show you the motor tag and such. It's a decent fan too. It sucks that it doesn't work. That's not the mounting bracket for it. The mounting bracket for it is right here. The branding is on the other side. So we'll bring the ladder over there. I think this fan is done for. I don't think that there's going to be any sort of fixing that's going to go on here because it's at the point now where it sounds like the capacitor has just failed completely. There's your Alaron sticker. Just made in Taiwan. I'll run it one more time. I just don't want to start it on fire. Is it hot? No, it's cold as ice. Okay, it's on forward. Yep, that thing's done for. Guess that's going to be it because I don't have a reason to keep it. Thanks for watching. Feel free to subscribe and click like if you like what you see, and follow me on the web, wix.com/theelevatorworld/fans. Bye-bye.